I've got these original panels that come off my red pickup that I'm gonna go ahead and put on this one. This panel here goes on a 4, 5, and 6 pickup, which of course these go on a 60 through 63. So we'll go ahead and get the right ones on here. All right, years ago, this truck didn't come with the custom side panels. So somebody went to the junkyard or found some more on another pickup and screwed them in and forgot to get this piece here when they took it off, because that goes in there and it locks in. Well, the original one, they'll go in there and they'll lock in the side. So I got to figure out where that goes and go ahead and get these new panels put on. Well, the used panels, the correct ones. Here we go. All right, on the backs of these panels, they get these little grooves cut out. There's one there and one there for this little piece to go in, for the screw heads to stick out a little bit. So that shows you where to put that. So what I went on and did, went on and put that up there. Went on and put me a line here, and here to show me where to put this piece here. So I'll go ahead and screw that in. Go ahead and mark it. Take it that way a little bit off my line to give me some slack right there so it'll lock in good and tight. Here we go. All right, I guess I went about an 1/8 inch off the line, went that way, screwed it on in, lock it in place. Let's see, there we go. Works real good. All I gotta do now is go ahead and screw it in. Screw it in there. The original one come out here, or the one from a 4, 5, and 6 was screwed in here. Let's see how it was. There it was, see it? It was a little short. They don't wrap around as far as the 60 through 63, so I'll put me another hole right there, screw it in, screw the sides in, I'll be good to go. All right, there we go. Ain't looking bad. Looking like it's supposed to. Okay, here we go. Now it looks like a 63. Going to the other side. All right, here we go. That's what we're looking at. Went on to put some rust mortar around some of the surface rust, like in behind here and this and that. So got that on there for now. That's what we're looking at. I'm going to change one of my screws out on the other side. I don't think it's stainless steel, so I got to find me another little screw. A buddy of mine's got a 66. I'm going to go ahead and give them two to him. So that'll work on his pickup. He gave me that cluster there here a while back. I got to put some rockers in this truck. Well, just on the driver's side only, so we do a little swapping here and there. So I'm going to find me a tack and this and that and go ahead and build that. But all right, that's going to do it for now. Y'all take it easy.